Queens get the money. 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 Queens get the money.
What's going on, babes? It's me, Lola B. You are here in Studio B, the best place to be. Today we are going to be talking about how to keep your kitty litty while we're in quarantine. You do not want to be walking around smelling like whatever. That's not what we're doing. So I wanted to come on and I wanted to do a review today from someone that I know personally. She is a fellow author of mine. Her name is Jenica. Jenica, she created great body care products, and they are 100% natural and handmade, and she is also black owned. So I wanted to come on and do just a little bit of a review, a haul on the products that I have and the products that I love and what I love about her overall. Okay, ladies, so I want to get into the first product that I had purchased from her, which is going to be, I actually ended up getting a Yoni bar, which she calls Goddess Wash. I don't even know what my bar is. I'm very upset about it, but it was unscented, and this is the Goddess Wash. So I got this, I think, in March, and it lasted me because I also have other Yoni bars from other companies. So I was trying to hurry up and use the other bars before I dug into this, but I like body wash a little bit more on my Yoni than I do like a bar. I kind of go back and forth. So I got this. I really like this. This has Castile soap, tea tree oil, aloe vera juice, healing oil infusions, and organic herbs, and I really like the Goddess Wash a lot. Moving on to my next purchases that I had got from Treasure Yoni. I got the Pink Passion shower gel. This shower gel smells so damn good. At first I thought that I wasn't going to like it because I do not like I don't like tropical scents. I like very fruity and like either fruity and fresh or like more gourmand, like candy-ish, cake-ish type of smells. But when I used this the first time in the shower, I was hooked. I was like, oh, I like that, and I'm going to keep using that. I just, a lot of the time, I get a lot of things from people that I know because I like to support them. Even if I think that I'm not going to like the product, I don't care. I just like to support people. Some people call me stupid, but you know, hey, it is what it is. But no, this Pink Passion shower gel is what's up. Like, I mean, it's, girl, you need to get it. The next one that I have up that I did purchase from Treasure Yoni would be the mystery gel. Haven't used it yet. And the purple lemonade. The purple lemonade is one that she just recently came out with about a week ago.
Fuck with us and then we tweaking, oh.
Now this one I thought that I would like because I really do like lemon smells. So I thought it was going to kind of be like a little like lemony. But this one isn't my favorite. It kind of has like a lemon smell to it. But it also has, I'm not sure, I had to ask her. I'm not sure what the other, see, it kind of starting to smell good now that I keep smelling it. I'm not sure what the other smell is, but I'm gonna try and use this pretty soon. This one, the mystery gel, and also with like, I think this was her last launch before she did this launch. She has started adding affirmations onto her labels. I really like that because this one, it says, I call all power back to me. I thought that was really dope. This one just smells hella good. This mystery gel one smells good as well. So these are my three shower gels that I have from her. And the latest launch that she just did, I went ahead and I got the biggest Yoni wash that she does offer. I'm not sure on what the prices are, but I will link everything down below. So I did go ahead and I picked this up because I do have a bar around here somewhere. And girl, look, I'm done with that. The next thing that I do have from her is the Lotus Flower Bomb. And this basically is just a bath soap. It's a bath soap.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is the bath soak. And it smells so good. Now this one smells so good. Look at that. It has bath salts. Yeah, so the directions is for a small soak, use 1 or 2 tablespoons of warm water and soak for 20 minutes. For a larger soak, use 4 to 6 tablespoons. The affirmation on this one is speak like you love yourself. And I really like that one. So the next ones that I have, the one that I purchased from the last launch that she did, this one is lemon pound cake. This one, I really like this one a lot. It smells really good. I like lemon pound cake. The affirmation on here is you are one of a kind. Thank you, boo. I already know that. This is the Purple Kisses bar. And this one, it smells really good. You can smell this as soon as like it opened up from the pack. The next 2 bars that she has, these are pink gummy. I am not sure what I'm not sure what scents these are, but they do smell really good as well. Purchased the lemon pound cake to go with the lemon pound cake soap. Even though I don't know when I'm gonna use it, but let me tell you something. She gotta bring this back. Jenica, if you don't bring this back, bitch. This smells so good. It really smells like a lemon pound cake. I've been holding on to this because I need to make sure that she restocks it so that I can get up on there and snatch it real quick. So this one, this is a body butter. I actually really like her body butters. I've tried body butters from other people. I do not like the consistency of their body butters compared to hers. And also, I do live in Las Vegas and my house can get pretty hot. It hasn't melted. And a lot of other people, their stuff melts, baby. And ain't nobody got time for that. So the affirmation on this one is dream again. Now the last products that I do have is her oils. This is how all of her products come if you have a liquid form, which I love about her. It comes wrapped up in this bubble wrap, baby. She don't play. You can't open this. You can't open this unless you put in some work, okay? So she makes sure that it is bubble wrapped up, and not only does she make sure that it's bubble wrapped up, she also puts the tape around the top so that it will not come loose and that it will not be leaking, because we all know how the UPS is. I was very upset because she had ended up dropping this along with, she came out with something called butt naked oil, and baby, I just knew I was gonna get some, but I messed up. I missed it. She also came out with like a pink, it was like a slushy body scrub. I missed that too because I was playing around. I was too big headed. I got you on the next one though, period. But this one is the Hawaiian Body Oil, and I mixed this with my lotions. I also mixed this one with my body butters. It goes on smooth. It smells delicious. So I had to get another one, so I'm stocked up on that. And that's kind of, oh, and I got one more. So I have the Rebalance My Kitty, the suppository. They're basically boric kind. I want to say they're boric. They're kind of like boric acid. So the boric acid that you insert inside of your vagina to make sure, like, if it's off balance or anything, it kind of puts you back on track. I have not had a chance to use any of them, but I have heard some really good things about boric acid. It's quarantine time. All my reviews, I know, I'm a little ratchet, whatever. Just a little bit because it's quarantine time. What I will say, get it together. What I will say is, what I love about Treasure Yoni that I feel sets Jenica apart from a lot of the other natural handmade soaps is that, of course, I know her. But even if I didn't, I really love the fact that she makes her products beforehand. And I'm not saying like she has them weeks and months beforehand. No, she makes enough products, or at least she thinks she makes enough products. She makes enough products, and then when she's done, she gives you a restock date. And once she gives you that restock date, you don't have to sit up and wait for 2, 3, 4 weeks for your products to get done. And I understand everybody has their own way of doing it, but what I'm saying is what sets her apart is that you can really tell that she cares about her customers, she cares about her products. She's really putting her all into her work, which is something that I appreciate. I've never had any issues with my shipping. I've never had any issues with traffic. I've never had any issues with it. And when I get my products, you can tell that it is made with love. You can tell that she actually really cares about what she's giving you, which is something that I appreciate. Because when you're trying to support someone, and a lot of people are like, it'll take 7 to 14 business days. And don't get me wrong, because I own a small business as well. Not even really, I own a business, and I do it all by myself. I get it. But at the same time, I respect the fact that she's ready to go. Sweetheart, anytime you have a question, she's there to answer it. She does Q&As. She's also an author. So thank you, Jenica. You know, you're doing your thing. I feel as though you deserve it all, and I cannot wait until I see you in the major stores, because I know it's coming for you. I appreciate you and your products, and I appreciate all the time and effort that you put into it. I am going to be coming back with a routine on how I use my products, as well as how I keep my body intact. But I just want to come on, do a review, and let you guys know where you can find these products, what products are good. Basically, whatever you see on that site, baby, buy it. If it's available, buy it. Don't waste no time. Don't sit there and be like, oh, should I get it? Should I not get it? Should I get it? Girl, you don't have time to be thinking about all that. Get them products, send them on home. There has been countless reviews about how she has helped plenty of women. She has Yoni oil, she has bath salts, she has the steams. Give her your coins, period. Give her your coins. So that's all I have to say for my review, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.